In this video, we listed the 5 best budget MIG welders under $500 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Hobart Handler 140 Welder. The Hobart Handler 140 MIG Welder is a durable and portable welding solution suitable for a variety of applications, including auto repair and home or farm projects, thanks to its robust construction that ensures long-lasting performance. It boasts versatile welding capabilities, able to weld up to a 1/4-inch mild steel, allowing users to tackle a range of material thicknesses. The welder features a user-friendly setup process, highlighted by a quick select drive roll and convenient polarity changeover that facilitate easy switching between different wire types and sizes, ultimately saving time and effort. Additionally, its reliable performance is enhanced by self-resetting motor protection and thermal overload protection, ensuring consistent operation. The design includes a sloped control panel that improves visibility and ease of adjustments, providing precise control over the welding process. Number 2. FORNEY Easy 140 Welder. The 140 FCI Welder is an easy-to-use, entry-level machine designed for versatility and portability, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. It utilizes 0.030-inch flux core wire and offers infinite voltage and wire feed speed control, allowing users to achieve precise welds every time. With a powerful 140 amp output, the welder can effectively weld up to a 1/4-inch of mild steel and accommodates both 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire. Weighing just 19 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to transport for various projects. The package includes an 8-foot MIG gun, an 8-foot ground clamp, and a 20-amp, 15-amp adapter, and users can explore FORNEY's Amazon brand store for recommended accessories and consumables. Number 3. Goplus 110V MIG Welder. The household smart welder is a compact and durable MIG gas welder constructed from heavy-duty stainless steel and coated with a long-lasting yellow paint, ensuring longevity. It utilizes convenient flux-cored wire that releases metal inert gas during welding to prevent oxidation. The welder features for adjustable welding speed levels, allowing users to customize the current flow and wire feeding speed for optimal performance. Its portable design makes it ideal for home DIY projects and general repairs, offering a professional finish while being lightweight and easy to transport. Additionally, it comes equipped with essential safety features, including a welding gun with on-off control, thermal protection, and ventilation for heat dissipation, along with complementary accessories such as welding wire, a protection mask, and a brush chipping hammer. Number 4. YESWELDER MIG 205DS. The YESWELDER MIG 205DS stands out as a versatile and affordable welding machine, perfect for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. Priced under $500, this welder offers a range of features typically found in more expensive models. It supports multiple welding processes, including MIG, flux core, TIG, and stick welding, making it a highly adaptable tool for various projects. The dual voltage support, 110V, 220V, ensures that you can use it in different settings, whether at home or in a professional workshop. One of the key strengths of the YESWELDER MIG 205DS is its performance. With a maximum power output of 205A at 220V, it can weld up to 3/4-inch thick materials, while still providing a stable arc and minimal spatter for MIG welding. Even at 110V, it offers up to 166A output, which is sufficient for most DIY projects. The high-duty cycle allows for prolonged welding sessions without the need for frequent cooling breaks, enhancing productivity and efficiency. The welder's user-friendly features further add to its appeal. It comes with both automated and manual controls, allowing users to fine-tune their settings for optimal results. The digital display provides clear and precise information, making it easier to monitor and adjust the welding parameters. Additionally, the lightweight design, thanks to IGBT technology, makes it portable and easy to transport, which is a significant advantage for those who need to move their equipment frequently. Number 5. Eastwood 180 Amp MIG Welder. The Eastwood MIG 180 is a standout choice for anyone in need of a reliable and versatile welding machine. Priced just under $500, this model offers features that are typically found in more expensive units. One of its key advantages is the dual voltage support, allowing you to switch between 120 and 240 volts depending on your power availability. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of welding tasks, from light sheet metal work to more demanding projects involving thicker materials. One of the most impressive aspects of the Eastwood MIG 180 is its power output range, which spans from 30 to 180 amps. This allows for precise control, whether you're working on 24-gauge sheet metal or welding 5/16-inch thick steel. The machine also features a durable all-metal wire drive and a 2T/4T trigger lock for added convenience. While the Eastwood MIG 180 has many strengths, it's worth noting a couple of minor drawbacks. The leads are relatively short at 10 feet, which may require some users to reposition their workpieces more frequently. Additionally, the power output is lower when operating on 120-volt power, maxing out at 120 amps. However, these are minor inconveniences when weighed against the machine's overall performance and value. The upgraded metal drive motor and reliable IGBT inverter technology ensure smooth and consistent operation, making it a dependable choice for both hobbyists and professionals.